what's up, guys? Of course, y'all know it's Mickey the Barber. Now, I just moved back home to Texas, so yeah, I know you guys know me for being in LA, but I'm back home in Texas. And I just got a space, and right now I got this barn, and I'm gonna transform this into my workspace where I do my clients' hair and yeah, they have horses over here. Where I do my clients' hair and I actually do my classes. And of course, run my store out of here and everything else. So this is gonna be my space as of right now. It's getting renovated, so of course we got a lot of stuff going on in here right now. That's gonna be my restroom. My wife have some before videos of how it looked before they actually was utilizing this. The owners of the property was utilizing this as a barn. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna make this into a workspace. So like I said, she have some videos before of how it actually looks. Right now the process of it is starting to look amazing. The contractor that we had in here, they actually had found a snake. It was a lot of stuff that was going on inside of this place before we started. Originally when we got this place, we thought we was going to have to get plumbing. We thought we was going to have to get lighting. We thought we was going to have to get a lot of electricity. We thought we was going to have to do a lot of things before we bought this property. But as we got into it and we started to renovate, and we found out they had electricity in this space, and they had a water line, although we had to pay a little bit more to get the water pumping and flowing, because they hadn't had it in a while. But they already had those things in this space. So now that they cut a little cost for us, because we didn't have to get those things completely put in here. But for the most part, I like how it's coming out. This portion of it was actually left out, so we had to get it. They didn't have any cement on this side, so we have to get get a slab of concrete put in this area right here, so we can open the space up more. It actually had stopped right here in the middle where you see these beams at. So like I said, they just opened this space up, and that top portion right there, that's gonna be where I work at. It's gonna extend all the way over here. So this is gonna be where I work. It's gonna be in this loft area up top, and the bottom portion is gonna be for my classes. I can't wait. Me and the wife, we excited about this. So I can't wait till it's done, and can't wait to show you guys what it's gonna look like when it's done. And pops. Peace.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Beat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Morning. It's Mickey the Barber, and today I'm giving an update on the barn conversion. Well, of course, you guys know, as I was showing you guys before, I was showing you guys the area where they will be putting my my loft area. If you guys can see, they actually went ahead and elongated that, and now we got some stairs going on. If you can see, got some stairs over here. Now we had a few dilemmas as they was building this, because as you guys can see with the stairs, they had to cut open this this layer so people can be able to actually walk up, you know, and for cold purposes and, you know, for height. So, for with that being said, you see how much of the area that up top that they had to take from my work area, my workspace. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually end up expanding it a little bit to where you see this window is. We'll expand this out just a little bit more, so I can have enough room up here for me to do what I need to do. I wasn't anticipating on this big opening being cut out for this, for the stairs. I didn't even think about it, of course, because I don't do construction. So I didn't think about that when I had created the layout. And they, so what they was thinking about doing was, they was like, oh, we can put the stairs on the outside, leaving you all a space back there, and basically the stairs would be, you know, right here, and they would have to create me like a little area, like a little panel right here for to be able to walk up. So I just didn't want it to be like, I didn't want the stairs to be like in the middle of the barn. So I was like, no, let's just keep it back there. We'll work with the opening, just expand my space up top, and then they just give me a little bit more room to work with, and then still leave my bottom area enough for me to do what I need to do with that bottom area, and nothing's like in the way. So I'm excited about what's being done right now, where we at. Right now they're about to get ready to start doing the actual restroom. Then we're gonna have a stand-up shower in there. So right now we're about to get ready to do the plumbing. So like I said, I'm excited about what's about to happen. As we go through this process, we have a few little hiccups, but for the most part, like, everything, we work everything out. Yeah, and I really just can't wait for you guys to be able to see my vision for this and what we planning on doing with it after the fact. All right, I'll talk to you guys later with some more updates. Peace.